Audible?
Yes.
In which year Monrega was launched? 2005, 2000, 1996, 1992.
Option out there.
2005, 2000, 1996, 1992.
2005.
2005. National Food Security Mission was launched in which year? National Food Security Mission. 2006-7, 2007-8, 2008-9, 2009-10.
6-7.
National Food Security Mission. It is a centrally sponsored scheme launched in 2007-8. 2007-8. Which is the Indian state which has highest percentage of educated unemployed? Kerala, Madhya
Bihar.
Pradesh, Gujarat, Andhra Pradesh.
Madhya Pradesh.
Kerala. Unemployment problem leads to poverty because what? Unemployment problem leads to poverty because what? People living below poverty line increases. There is rapid increase in population. It increases inflation. It leads to rise in interest rate.
Inflation.
Poverty को lead करे because people living below poverty line increase. Most of the unemployment in India is what? Technological, structural, frictional, cyclic.
Structural.
Structural, correct. Structural unemployment arises when there is a mismatch between worker skills and availability of jobs in the market. Next. The Phillips curve represents relationship between dash and dash. Phillips curve represents relationship between dash and dash. Deflation and unemployment, inflation and unemployment, inflation and disguised unemployment, deflation and cyclical unemployment.
Second time
Inflation.
Inflation
again,
and
unemployment.
unemployment.
Correct. Inflation and unemployment. Relation between inflation and unemployment. NREGA was renamed Monrega on which date? NREGA was renamed Monrega on which date? 2nd October 2007, 2nd October 2009, 2nd October 2010, 2nd October 2008.
2nd October 2009.
Correct. 2nd October 2009, NREGA was renamed to Monrega. TRISEM is a program of which development? TRISEM, TRYSCM, rural development, industrial development, urban development, difference development. TRISEM, TRYSEM, launched in 1979.
Rural development.
Correct. ट्राइसेम ର full form ହେଲା Training of Rural Youth for Self-Employment. Training of Rural Youth for Self-Employment, launched in 1979. Entrepreneur skill और technical skill दियाଯିବ to rural poor in the age group of 18 to 35. Concept of vicious circle of poverty is related to whom? କିଏ ଦେଇଥିଲେ? Concept of vicious circle of poverty. Karl Marx, Adam Smith, Ragnar Knox, none of the above.
Ragnar.
Correct. Professor Ragnar Knox gave the concept of vicious circle of poverty. Calories intake standard for the measurement of poverty line was introduced by whom? Calories intake standard for the measurement of poverty line. लकड़ावाला, सुरेश तेंदुलकर, प्लानिंग कमीशन, दांडेकर एंड रथ.
Lakdawala.
Calories intake
Tendulkar.
standard for the measurement of poverty line. Calories intake level ଦେଇଥିଲେ DM Dandekar and
Rath.
Rath in 1971. ଆଉ ତାଙ୍କର କନକ୍ଲୁଜନରେ ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ଫର୍ମ କଲା ଗୋଟେ ଟାସ୍କ ଫୋର୍ସ ଅଣ୍ଡର ଚେୟାରମ୍ୟାନସିପ୍ ଅଫ୍ YK ଅଲଗ ପଭର୍ଟିକୁ ନେଇକି ଅଲଗ କମିଟି. ନେକ୍ସଟ, which of the following was the first ever rural poverty alleviation program launched in India? First ever rural poverty alleviation program launched in India. Rural Landless Employment Guarantee Program, National Rural Employment Program, Jawahar Rozgar Yojana, Integrated Rural Development Program.
National Rural.
First ever rural poverty alleviation program जोटा लॉन्च ହେଇଥିଲା in the year 1978. Integrated Rural Development Program. এটা ଥିଲା first rural poverty alleviation program launched in India in 1978. 1989 ରେ second ଥିଲା ଯୋଉଟା ଜବାହାର ରୋଜଗାର योजना. थर्ड रहा रूरल लैंडलेस सॉरी सेकंड रहा रूरल लैंडलेस एम्प्लॉयमेंट गारंटी प्रोग्राम 1983. रूरल लैंडलेस एम्प्लॉयमेंट गारंटी प्रोग्राम 1983. थर्ड रे जवाहर रोजगार योजना 1989. नेशनल रूरल एम्प्लॉयमेंट प्रोग्राम 2005. For how many days in a year NREG Act 2005 provides for right to unemployment allowance? 100 days, 120.
100 days.
100 days.
100 days.
Correct, 100 days. Parliament, ठीक ना भूल गए वो. Parliament has passed National Food Security Act in 2013.
ठीक ଅଛି.
Correct.
ठीक ଅଛି.
Correct. Supreme Court has held that it is the duty of the state to provide food to the needy one.
ठीक ଅଛି.
Correct. Who was the first chairman of India's Planning Commission? M. Visvesvaraya, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, P.C. Mahalanobis,
Pandit.
John Mathur.
Jawaharlal Nehru.
Jawaharlal Nehru.
Correct. Jawaharlal Nehru. In India, the objective of self-reliance and self-generating development was adopted first and foremost in which 5-year plan? Third,
Seven 5-year plan.
third, fourth, fifth, sixth.
50.
First କହିଛି ହେଲା. In India, the objective of self-reliant and self-generating development.
Third.
Third 5-year plan. Third. Which of the following plan is called rolling plan? Third plan, fifth plan, sixth plan,
Oh.
eighth plan.
Fifth.
Third ସରିକି fourth ଯୋଉଟା fourth planning.
Sixth plan. Sixth 5-year plan is called rolling plan, introduced by Janata Party government by Morarji Desai after removing fifth 5-year plan. Who among the following is not the part of governing council of Niti Aayog? Who among the following is not the part of governing council of Niti Aayog? All chief ministers of states, governors of states, chief ministers of Delhi and Puducherry, lieutenant governors of Andaman Nicobar.
Governors of state.
Correct. Governors of state is not the part of governing council of Niti Aayog. Which of the following document cannot be submitted as part of central budget? Central budget रे निम्नलिखित ମଧ୍ୟରୁ କୋଉ ଡକୁମେଣ୍ଟଟା ସବମିଟ ହେଇପାରିବ ନାହିଁ? Demand for grant, appropriation bill, revenue bill, none of these.
None of this.
Revenue bill
Question ଟା ଆଉଥରେ
କୋଉ
question ଟା ଆଉଥରେ
କୋଉ ଡକୁମେଣ୍ଟଟା ସବମିଟ ହେଇପାରିବ ନାହିଁ ସେଣ୍ଟ୍ରାଲ ବଜେଟରେ as per option? ତ appropriation bill ବି ସବମିଟ ହୁଏ, demand for grant ବି ହୁଏ, ଆହୁରି 3-4ଟା ଅଛି ସେଗୁଡାକ ବି ସବମିଟ ହୁଏ। ତ କୋଉଟା ସବମିଟ ହୁଏନି? revenue bill. National Agriculture Development Plan was initiated under which 5-year plan? National Agriculture Development.
60.
Options are 10th, 11th, 12th, none of these.
11th.
10th.
Agriculture Development Plan.
10th.
राष्ट्रीय कृषि विकास योजना.
11.
11th 5-year plan. 11th 5-year plan. Which of the following is the agency involved in the estimation of national income of India? Reserve Bank of India, Central Statistical Organization,
CSO.
Ministry, Planning Commission.
CSO.
national statistical
Statistical.
Correct. Central Statistical Organization.
national
ନା ସେଇଟା ମାନେ ଏବେ ହେଇଯାଇଛି CSO.
बिल्कुल.
NSO ଥିଲା ସେଇଟା ହେଇଯାଇଛି CSO.
On
ଆଚ୍ଛା
which date Indian government implemented Members of Parliament Local Area Development Scheme, MPLADS? On which date Indian government implemented Members of Parliament Local Area Development Scheme? 1992, 93, 2003, 2004.
1999 ବୋଧେ
93
Correct. 1993. 23 December 1993 ରେ Indian government implemented MPLADS, Members of Parliament Local Area Development Scheme. The core concept of 11th 5-year plan is dash: human resource development, human well-being, growth with social justice and equality, faster and more inclusive growth.
ସେଇଟା
faster
ହବ
and more inclusive
B
Correct.
faster and more
Faster and more inclusive growth. The estimates of national income are prepared by whom? National Development Council, National Productivity Council, Central Statistical Organization, National Income Council.
ସେଇଟା ହବ
ନା
Zero.
Central Statistics.
Organization. Economic Survey of India is published every year by whom? Ministry of Commerce, Ministry of Finance, Ministry of Industry,
Finance.
RBI.
Finance.
Correct. Department of Economic Affairs in the Finance Ministry. Which of the following was the first 5-year plan period? 1946 to 50?
51 ରୁ 56.
Correct.
51.
1951 to 56. For which 5-year plan self-reliance was the main objective? Third,
Third.
sixth,
Third.
In which year Government of India started 20-point program? 1980, 1975, 1978, 1979.
78.
20-point program was launched by Government of India in 1975. 1997 to 2002 is the duration of which 5-year plan?
ninth
Correct.
9th
9th 5-year plan. In which 5-year plan capacity building through urban local bodies was conceived? In which 5-year plan capacity building through urban local bodies was conceived? 8th, 9th, 11th, 12th.
12th 11th
11th 5-year plan, correct. 11th 5-year plan.
कौन सेटा लोकल
Capacity building through urban local bodies. The objective of Make in India program is what? To check migration, modernization of agriculture, to boost up manufacturing sector and reduce import.
C, C.
सी
ଭଏସଟା କଣ ଏମିତି ଆସୁଛି? ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ଶୁଭୁଛି ନା ମତେ ଏକା?
ମତେ ବି ଶୁଭୁଛି
କଣ ପାଇଁ ଶୁଭୁଛି? ଓହୋ। The Make in India program was launched in 2014 to transform India into a global manufacturing hub.
ଗୌରବ ତମେ ଟିକେ ମ୍ୟୁଟ କରିଦିଅ ତମର ଇକୋ ହଉଛି।
ଏବେ କ୍ଲିୟର ଅଛି?
ହଁ
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କର ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ଅଛି। କଣ ଗୋଟେ ହଉଛି ଆଉ। ମୋ ଆବାଜଟା ବି ଏମିତି ଆସୁଛି କି?
ଯିଏ ଅନ୍ ରଖୁଛି ତାକୁ ହିଁ ଆସୁଛି।
ଏଟା କଣ କଥା? ହଉ ମୁଁ କାଟିକି ଆଉ ଥରେ କରୁଛି।